üstüne dökelim.
Dude, you're shitting our avocados! We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh!
Hey.